Hello everybody, it's Sarah with Pool Pros of Pasco. Today I'm at a homeowner's home here in Florida where we're doing a contract. This contract we already knew up front that we would need to, before pavering a deck, repair the pool beam. Some contracts we can find suspicions and things that show us up front that it would be needed. Others we unfortunately don't know until we remove tiles and things like that to see if there's any cracking behind the tiles, which is also the pool top part of the original constructed shell, which we call a pool beam repair. So just thought to take a quick video because this pool stands out more than others, which again is why we estimated it in their contract instead of finding it after the job is started and then having to add it separately. But you see as you walk around the pool border here how this consistent crack going all the way around. Some places it shows, some places it doesn't. Here it meets the tile. This is a popular thing, is it'll make these tiles start popping off, cracks, tile, things like that. Here you can see that it's gotten so bad. This tile's cracking and popping off as well as it extending further out into the deck. And then when you walk down the deck a little bit more, here we see the cracks showing up again, and this one's gotten bad enough that you can actually see where it's lifted portions of the deck there. So a beam crack repair is done. We do drill holes around the pool top beam. So then we pin them with steel. We fill them with cement to tie that top piece back to the pool shell. Then it would be, after all the cement, then we would do the remodeling portion of it because that would stabilize it back onto the concrete pool shell as it should have been. And then we can remodel the area without worrying about the crack coming back and causing problems with your remodeled product later.